Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView webhooks. Webhooks are a powerful feature allowing you to automate actions based on your chart alerts. They send real-time notifications to any external application you choose. First, you will configure an alert directly within your TradingView chart. You will then specify a unique URL that acts as the destination for these alerts. Remember to choose your alert conditions and frequency carefully to avoid excessive notifications. To begin, you will need a unique URL that can receive the webhook data. Services such as Pipedream or Zapier are excellent choices for generating this. They provide a custom, publicly accessible URL that acts as the endpoint for your TradingView alerts. This URL is where all your alert information will be sent. It is crucial to ensure your chosen service is capable of processing incoming post requests, as this is how the data will arrive. Now, let's set up the alert within TradingView. Open the Alert Creation dialog directly on your chart. Under the Notifications tab, select the webhook URL option. Carefully paste your unique, generated webhook URL into the provided field. You can also customize the alert message content using various variables, allowing for detailed information. For optimal precision, consider setting the alert frequency to once per bar close or once per bar. Once an alert is triggered, your external application will receive a post request. The body of this request contains the alert message data, typically in a JSON format. You will need to parse this JSON payload to extract all the relevant information, such as the symbol, price, and alert message. With this data, you can then automate various actions, like sending a message to a chat application or placing a trade. Remember to implement robust error handling for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.